Alright guys, here's the new Explorer GearBox. I'm going to open this up and check it out, see what's inside. The old knife in there, whoops. That open. Let's see what has arrived this season. Alright, exciting. So we've got some vegan protein power here. Not sure what that is. I guess use that to make a beverage. Yep, that's exactly what that is. Mix it with water, turns your protein into power. Alright, so check that out. Ooh, a couple of Purola granola bars with cordyceps and reishi. Okay, I know what reishi is, I don't know what cordyceps is, but we're going to find out. We're going to check these out. Those look good. What else have we got here? Ooh, nice. That's a hiking towel. That'll be super useful. A little carabiner on it there, on the corner there to hook that onto the pack and what have you. That's like a really nice soft microfiber. That should dry out quick. Fantastic. All right. Not sure what we've got here. Let's see. Wow, that's interesting. Oh, it's a pillow. Awesome. Inflatable camping pillow, backpacking pillow. That will definitely get used. Fantastic. Oh, what do we have here? Ah, nice candle. All right. We'll have to read up on the guide that comes with it to figure out exactly what that's all about. Not sure. All right. You know what? Oh, nice. As a guy who loves his knives, it's got a nice clip on it there. Carrying that around. Wow, that is very practical. That will definitely get used. All right, and I think they call that a survival grenade. That's what that's called. That is paracord fish and fire kit. There you go. It's got all the stuff you need in there all wrapped up in paracord to be able to do some fishing if you need to survive. So let's see. And of course we have the next edition of the Explorer magazine, which I'm very much looking forward to reading that one. All right, so let's see here. A spring GearBox, self-inflating camp pillow. It's a hammock. That's what's in here, is a camping hammock. Nice. Survival knife, dream sack, hiking towel, survival candle, burns for 36 hours. All right. Survival grenade, we knew that. Purica products and the magazine. Awesome. So that is what is in the spring box. There's our unboxing. Looking forward to getting that stuff out in the field.